created Adam from dust, but Eve he created from Adam's rib, thus making man and woman one flesh. Nowadays, marriages lack agape love, communication, patience, abuse, ego have become their daily routine. Many marriages are on the verge of breaking as the focus has turned to me instead of we, thus living a selfish life. When we choose to be Christ centered, we start living a selfless life by imitating Him. In every area, the devil comes with strategies to devour marriages. To overcome the wiles of devil, the Lord instructs wives to submit to their own husbands, and husbands to love their wife as Christ loved the church. When we choose to stand firm in the Word, we live glorious years of